Hello and welcome to Paul Presents. This is an unboxing video for my Fitbit Inspire 3. Right, I've been waiting to open this, so let's open it up. I've seen there's a little tab here. Pull the tab. There we are. And then does that release it to come out? There we are. Releases it to come out of there. And there it is. Power and style, it says. Let's take that out. And you've got the product information in there, which I'll have to go into to make sure it all works properly and doesn't lose all the information I had before. Let's take it out of here. In here, look, you've got the strap. On this side, I believe I can remove it. The charging port there, USB. And then how do we get this out? There we are, already attached. Fantastic. This will be my new companion for the next few years. Looks like it's stuck there. There we are. See it for the first time. Remove this. There we are. I'll let you know how the installation process goes. But that's my new Fitbit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.